Hello and welcome back. Here we have a 2002 Busy Bee James by Tomy. He's been completely fixed and repaired. One of the battery terminals in his tender was damaged due to corrosion, so it broke off. But it's been replaced. Let's give him a run and see how he goes. As you can see, James is an absolutely fantastic runner. His owner actually did provide me with a old James tender, which was a donation, and I thank him very much for that. I was able to harvest a very good terminal from that James and pop it in the tender. A process that was very tedious to say the least, but as you can see, James is very grateful for it because he's a runner again. I am open for commissions, $20 any amount of locomotives. Buyer pays shipping both ways. I'll be more than happy to get your Thomas and Friends back on the rails and rolling down the line. Thank you very much for watching.